World premiere for Look At Me Out video. Let's make it happen. Let's make it happen, Captain. Oh my God, you're swagged. You're going to make the video happen. Swag, swag. Ay. Girlfriend. Look At Me Out. World premiere. I don't even know what I'm about to say for this shit. Swag. I don't see how you can hate on my kidney. You don't even have one. Swag. Yellow ass kitten, yellow ass kittens, yellow ass dogs chasing my kittens. Yep, I think that dog is gay. I seen that dog kill like 10 dogs in 2 days. Meow, 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 meow. If you could speak kitty language, what would you say? Meow, 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 meow. I said Mr. Miyagi, and I keep my cat in some era zombie. Look at me out, look at me out. Oh, I'm getting paper. Look at me out, look at me out. I'm heavy than a motherfucker. See my cat and I lit up. How can you see no nothing on my and shit? Better keep your hand in the kitchen. I see you not have to search about that shit. Oops, I said out that shit. I really meant to say out that shit. But since we talking about that shit, don't you go and hide that shit. I'm done. Swag. Look at me out. Look at me out. I'm getting paper. Look at me out. Look at me out. I'm Harry the motherfucker. Swag.